Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is all about sketching. My sketching process is very simple. I print out my favorite croquis from Google and I just take a piece of paper and I trace. When I'm tracing, I make sure that I'm in good lighting just so I can see the croquis through the printer paper. I usually sketch upcoming sewing projects or things that I see off of the runway. I have no set routine when it comes to sketching. It's just really about what is around me at the time. Sometimes I sketch with pencil, sometimes I sketch with Sharpie, and then other times I outline with colored pencils or whatever is around me at that time. And there you have it, how to sketch like a professional. Hi everyone, and thank you so much for watching my video. I really enjoyed making this video and I forgot to film an outro, so this is the outro that you're gonna get. Well, anyways, I really want to give a huge shout out to this person right here. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and thank you for getting a notification on watching my last video. It really means a lot to me, and if you would like to get a shout out, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification button. And if you don't know how to subscribe, it is right over here. And also be sure to follow me on my social medias. It will be here. I'm always on Instagram. I'm always on different social media networks, so hit me up. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Bye.